Hello kids, Mr. Agee here. I want to talk to you about your word study work for Wednesday, November 18th. Today our sort is focused on I sounds, so we're looking at short I, and long I, and we're going to be focusing on several different ways to make that long I sound. If you look at the categories for sorting, we've got the short I CVC pattern where we've got a consonant vowel consonant or a consonant blend, vowel consonant blend. And we've got this familiar pattern with the long I silent E as in the word right. But we are looking at two new patterns, the IGH pattern that says I as in the word might, and the ending Y that says I as in the word why. So we've got four different types of spelling patterns that we're looking at, and if you notice there are no oddballs, so everything on the list is going to fit into these categories. Next, on the final page, you've got a list of words that they ask you to sort in writing. So you've got that short I as in quick, the long I silent E as in right, the IGH sound as in might, and the ending Y I sound as in Y. So the idea behind this is that it will not only reinforce your reading skills, but will also help with your spelling skills. So as you are naturally trying to write these words in your creative writing, these words, since you've studied them, should be coming out more correctly spelled when you use them. So make sure you're using the powers of your brain to read the words out loud. You're looking at the words as you're reading them. You're saying them so your brain has the chance to feel you say it, to hear you say it, and to get that extra practice with these spelling patterns. So I'm going to go ahead and read the words to you, and if you need to stop and start the video, you can, to help yourself sort and cut and paste the words. But we've got all of these words fit one of these four spelling patterns. Starting off here, we've got sigh, try, bright, fight, grill, high, grime, bliss, twice, white, cry, grim, shy, sky, night, quit, dry, whisk, quite, and rise. So those are your words to sort into the four categories for the short I and the three long I patterns that we're studying today. Do your best as usual, and have a great day, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you on Thursday morning.